Всем привет! Today I want to show you how to cook Olivier salad, which is the most popular, the most traditional Russian New Year's dish. There is an original recipe from France, but Russian Olivier salad is a bit different, so I'm gonna show you a Russian variant. First of all, I already boiled everything that was needed to be boiled. That's first of all potatoes and carrot. Then we peel it, and you can actually take more carrot than I have here, like 2 carrots, but actually we run out of carrots, so this is the last one. So now peel potato. I do it with a knife because as I said in the previous video, I'm a left-hander and I don't feel very comfortable, but actually I can do it with my hands. Yeah, that's why I boil them first and then just peel like this, because that's much easier. So yes, I don't use this peeler thing for the potato because I'm left-hander and I don't know how to do it with this thing. When I want to peel potato with carrot, that's okay. These parts are a bit heavier to peel, so I'll do it with the knife. Like this. I didn't peel them perfectly because I'll wash them all later one more time and remove something that is not perfectly clean. This part I also peel with the knife. Like this. So now we put this stuff to the rubbish bin. Then clean the potato. The carrot, I guess, is okay. So, and now let's cut everything. Cut in small cubes. I guess the smaller the better in this case. Yes, of course it's better when vegetables are 100% cold after boiling, but mine, they are a bit warm, that's why. For example, potato pieces stick together to each other, but I'll usually solve this problem later. I just separate all of them in the salad with a spoon when I mix all the parts together. You could think that that looks like a puree already, but or mashed potato, do you call it like that? But no, actually in salad it's okay then. But maybe some people do it in a different way, but I chose this variant and I feel okay with that. So we cut everything and now let's put it in the salad plate. These black parts we can remove, and this one. Now let's cut chicken. I also already boiled it. It was a chicken breast or fillet. I cook Olivier salad with chicken, but usually people do it with sausages. But I don't eat sausages. I think with chicken it's much healthier. So I do it like this. This variant is also possible. Usually it is called столичный salad, or it can be translated like capital salad. I don't know why, maybe because chicken is more expensive and that's why like salad which is eaten in capital, because people richer in capital, I don't know, or maybe some other reason, but I cook it like this. Or in menus in restaurants it is also can be named Olivier, but not just Olivier with chicken. So we cut it like this. It cuts really well when it's already boiled and cold. And put it to the carrot and potato. Now the eggs, they are already boiled hard and they are cold, or colded for now. The last one is harder to peel. I don't know why. So let's remove the rubbish. So now we have to cut the eggs on small cubes too. At least we try, because as you see, they tend to be grinded by themselves, but that's never mind actually. Put the eggs to the other ingredients. Cucumber. Usually people use canned cucumbers, like salted, but I prefer to use the fresh one, again because it's just healthier. So let's peel it. Some people don't peel, but I prefer to peel because this coloring, I don't know, I read somewhere that it's better to remove it. Let's remove the ends. In Russia we call these ends S. So let's remove the S's. Let's remove the rubbish out of here. And let's cut the cucumber, also cut in small cubes. Add cucumber to the salad. Now we have to add the peas. I use canned peas, and actually people do it too. So finally, let's mix it all together. Now we can salt it. And as a sauce, we usually add mayonnaise, or I can also use sour cream as a sauce because it's lighter, but here I'll add mayonnaise to show you how it looks with the sauce, because usually I just leave it like that and everyone puts put what they want, which kind of sauce they want. But here I'll do the different way. So let's add it, not very much, because I don't want it to be lots of mayonnaise, don't want it to be super fat. And let's mix it all together. So that's it, actually. It's ready, and that's how we are cooking it. I hope that you loved it. Hope that this video was interesting and informative for you. If you want, you can try to repeat this recipe. So I don't know, I guess good appetite for me, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.